So guys, that is our Sabat daw prison. Sabat daw guys, sabat daw.
Oy! Don't call me that. Don't call me that. Don't call me that in the comments or I will fry you into in alive. I'm gonna fry you alive.
That's sabat daw guys.
There's a tornado coming. Please come here.
Ba, mainit ang
Okay na. Ano eh?
Sabat daw guys, siniyan.
A jump scare will happen.
So this is the electric fan. Ping, ping, ping. This is my friend. Ting. This is the Vicks.
Get ready to die.
Pushka. Pushka.
Uy.
This is the dadambal. Ako na para ma'am. Yay!
Ito ba yun?
Ito God. Tango Island. Bye-bye. Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye.